Buying stocks might sound complicated, but with Wealthsimple, it's pretty easy. In this video, I'm gonna share how you can buy your first stocks on Wealthsimple. Let's get into it. Step one is to open your account and fund your account. So if you currently do not have a Wealthsimple account, that is step number one. You can use the link in my description box and it will give you $50 when you open your account and fund your account. Okay, so now you've opened your Wealthsimple account and now we need to open our investment account within our Wealthsimple account. What that means is that you can't just invest in Wealthsimple. You have to open either a TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, or a non-registered account, or even a cash account within this account. If you want a detailed video on which option you should choose, I have one linked here and also in my description box. So we won't go over that in this video. So make sure you watch that if you need to figure out which account you should open. So now let's tell you how to open your account. You're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom on the home page and click Add an Account. There are two options that pop up. You have open a new account and transfer an account to Wealthsimple. We are going to choose open a new account. There are lots of different options. There's a cash option, USD cash, TFSA, RRSP, non-registered, FHSA, RESP, lots of different options. But I think for the average beginner, we're going to start off with a TFSA as it's the most flexible account out there. So click on TFSA, and when you click on TFSA, there are a lot of different options for you. There is the registered savings account, portfolios, bond portfolio, alternative investments, and also stocks and ETFs. You won't see that option on my screen because I have opened that account already, but you should see one that says stocks and ETFs. That is the one I would like you to open, but let me explain what the other ones mean. The first one, registered savings account, means that you are just keeping cash here and getting some interest and the gains will be tax-free. The second one, portfolios, means that they are going to manage your portfolio on your behalf and you can do managed investing with Wealthsimple. There's also bond portfolio where they are investing in lower risk things like bonds and they are going to manage it on your behalf. And lastly, there are alternative investments, which are for the more advanced investor. So we are going to pick the option that is stocks and ETFs, which means you can purchase stocks or ETFs in this portfolio. So now click on that. Now we want to fund our account. When I say fund our account, we want to take money from our checking account and take it to go directly into our TFSA. So on the bottom of the screen where the two arrows are pointing the opposite direction, click on that and then go to deposit. So when you click deposit, you can choose what account that you want to deposit in. We want to deposit this money into our TFSA. Click next. And then you can choose what bank you want to deposit in. For you, there may not be anything linked here. So just choose whichever bank you want to link to your account. So click bank account and then search for your bank, fill in your details, and then it will automatically connect your checking account directly to this investment account. Next step would be choosing what you want to buy. So this is the most important part because we want to know what you want to buy in your TFSA. So in your TFSA, you can buy stocks or ETFs. And to get there, you go on the bottom again, and there is a magnifying glass. So click on magnifying glass. You can see that there are different stocks that are available here. It starts off with the most active stocks, and these are the ones that are most actively traded, where people are buying and selling them. There are top gainers, the ones that have grown the most in the day. There are the top losers, the ones that have lost the most amount of money. And there are also ETFs as well. So ETFs are a group of stocks instead of buying one individual stocks. Just a reminder that just because something is on this popular or most active page does not mean it is the best thing for you to buy. It just means that a lot of people are buying and selling it. That's it. So we're gonna go and search an ETF, and I searched VFV. VFV is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, and it's basically 507 of the largest companies in the United States, all in one fund. So let's click on that. And here you can see a bit of details about the fund. You can see that the current price is $144.61. You can see over the past 1 month, it's been down by 6%, but over the past 1 year, it's been up by 14.42%. And then there are a bunch of other details that you can see below. So you can see the bid price, the ask price, the last price it was sold for, the exchange that it sells on, and a bunch of other things. And if you want a full detailed video on how you read all that information, I can make that. So just let me know in the comments section below. So now let's say you have done your research and you decided that this is the one to buy. The next step would be step 3, choose how much of that stock that you want to buy. So click buy on the bottom left-hand corner. There are 2 main options. You can pick a market buy or you can pick a limit buy. A market buy means that I'm gonna say I want 2 shares of this. It will tell me the price and then I'm just gonna purchase it. I'm gonna click review and then I'm gonna put my order in. Okay, that's the first option. The problem with market buy is that it will purchase for whatever price somebody is selling it at right now. So right now we know that VFE is about $144, but let's say I am selling my VFE and I want to sell it for $150. I can put out that sale in the market because you have put market buy, it may purchase that stock for more than it's really worth. So the more safe thing to do would be to click limit buy. Limit buy means that you are limiting how much you will pay per stock. It's like, for example, if you go to the grocery store and you see a banana and the banana says that it's selling for $1, you don't want to buy it at $3, right? So that is why we always say the max that I will pay is $1, for example. So again, for this one, you can either do shares where you say you want 2 shares, but you're not willing to pay more than $144.37, for example. Then if somebody is selling it at that price, it will fill your order and you will now own 2 shares. The other option that you can do is, let's say you just want to put all your cash into the stock market right now. So I can say the limit price, let's say $144.37, and then I can say max at the bottom left corner. That means that I want to make sure that I am buying the maximum that is available with all the cash that I have in my account. So right now you can see I have about $3,700. So it says that the max that I can get is 26 shares of VFE. So I would just click review and then queue my order and then it will purchase it. You also have the option to choose how long you want this order to be good for. So you can say it's good for the day, which means that if you cannot fill your order in that day, it will not purchase for you. Or you can say you can make it good until canceled, which means that it will wait 90 days and within those 90 days, it will fill that order if it can, and if not, it will cancel your order. The last thing, now that you have made your final choice and you have purchased something, congratulations. Now you can look at your holdings by going back onto the home page and clicking holdings right under the graph. So click on holdings and you can go to your stocks or ETFs. And here I can see that I have 499 shares of VFV. So that's where you can see your holdings and you can see how much the growth has been for those holdings as well. So that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope you learned how to purchase your first stocks. Let me know in the comment section below what stock you have purchased. I'm excited to hear, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.